I have memories. I have memories. Some are my favorites. Some are my favorites. I remember my birthday. I remember my birthday. I had a big cake. I had a big cake. I blew out the candles. I blew out the candles. I made a wish. I made a wish. I felt happy. I felt happy. I remember a family picnic. I remember a family picnic. We had sandwiches. We had sandwiches. We played games. We played games. We laughed a lot. We laughed a lot. I felt loved. I felt loved. I remember a trip to the beach. I remember a trip to the beach. I saw the ocean. I saw the ocean. I built sandcastles. I built sandcastles. I collected seashells. I collected seashells. I heard the waves. I heard the waves. I remember my first day of school. I remember my first day of school. I met new friends. I met new friends. I learned new things. I learned new things. I felt a little scared. I felt a little scared. I had a good teacher. I had a good teacher. I remember a holiday with my family. I remember a holiday with my family. We shared gifts. We shared gifts. We decorated the tree. We decorated the tree. We sang songs. We sang songs. We had fun. We had fun. I remember all these moments. I remember all these moments. They are my favorite memories. They are my favorite memories. They make me smile. They make me smile. I cherish them always. I cherish them always.